Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about the new Wyze plug, so stay tuned. So Wyze reached out to me and asked me if I would do a review on their new smart plug. They had one requirement for doing this review, and that was that I would give my 100% honest opinion on these things. They wanted the good, bad, and the ugly of what I thought about these, which is so nice for a company to be so transparent and just that confident in their product. So with that said, let's open this guy up and take a look at what comes in this box. So seeing as this thing is a smart plug, as you probably guessed, there is not a lot in this box. If we open it up and take a look, we have got two wall outlets right here. So we've got the wall outlets. They come with a button on the side, so you can turn it on and off manually if you don't want to use the app or any kind of automation. And then it does have an indicator light on the front. So it will turn blue when it is on, and when it is off, the light turns off also. So now that we've got these guys unboxed, there are two different scenarios that I wanted to show you how to use these. The first one, we're gonna use the Wyze environment. So we're gonna set this up in the Wyze app. And we're also gonna be using the Wyze Sense, which comes with the motion sensor to trigger the plug on and off. We're gonna set this up in the garage, and I'm gonna do this to some new garage lights that I got, which should be pretty cool. The other scenario that I wanna do is I wanna actually set these up in the Amazon Alexa app. So we're gonna set this up, so if you don't wanna use the Wyze app, you are an Amazon user and you like that environment, we are going to set up a routine through the Amazon app. And I'm actually gonna show you guys the routine that I use for my little kids and their bedtime routine. But first, let's start with the garage lights. All right, so we're gonna start off by creating a rule in the Wyze app using the Wyze motion sensor. What I'm gonna do at the very top of the app here is click on Add Rule. I'm gonna say create a rule. And what I wanna do is tap on Trigger Device. The device that I want to use is Garage Motion Sensor. So we're gonna set that up, and we're gonna say when it detects motion, save, do an action. And the action is going to be the garage outlet, which is right here. Garage outlet turn on. And what that is going to do, click on done, is that is going to turn on the lights that I have in my garage. But to get the lights to turn off, I need to set up another rule. So we're gonna click on Add Rule, Device Trigger. Device trigger here, we're going to click on the same garage motion sensor. We're gonna say has been cleared for. So we're gonna say once motion has been cleared, that means it has not detected motion in 5 minutes. Go ahead and let's turn off the outlet. Click on done, and we got both rules set up right there. And we can see that the light is on. Okay, now that everything is set up and plugged in, let's test it out. Okay, let's test out the new sensor and see how well it worked. Oh yeah. Motion sensor picked us up. Wyze turned us on. Nice and bright. Emmy, you wanna help me? No? You got snacks? All right.
Baba.
Oh, and water? Okay. You ready to go? Okay, so in the Amazon app, I've created a routine that we are going to use at night for the girls, and it is going to turn on everything that we want in the room with only using one word. In fact, let me show you guys what I have set up here. So if we take a look at the routine here, when we say good night, it is going to turn on the nightlight, it is going to turn on Avery's fan, and it's also going to start playing lullaby music for 1 hour. And if we notice at the very bottom here, it is only going to work when we use that phrase in this room only. So if we say it downstairs, it's not going to have, or it's going to have a completely different meaning as it does in this room. So to test it out, Avery is going to show you what to do. All right, Avery, you want to test it out here?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go. Good night.
Okay, so if we look over here, we see that this nightlight had turned on for us when we used it. And then if we look over here, the fan is turned on. That's going to be her little white noise maker. And then we've also got lullabies playing on the Echo right here, which will turn off in an hour. All right, so that is how we set up the good night routine using the Amazon Echo and then also using both of the Wyze plugs. So as you can see, these guys are super easy to use, whether you're using it in the native Wyze app or you're using this in the Amazon app or in the Google app. This also does support IFTTT if you're looking for that, but right out of the box, super easy to use. Set them up in your routines, start automating things. We're not in the 1980s anymore. Who needs switches? It's all about automating your smart home. So with that said, I hope you guys liked this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.